Two-door.
Oh, hi.
Where we going?
Get our vaccines, yellow fever. And then I was a bit confused about the hepatitis one. Do you know what he meant?
No.
Nah. It's a live vaccine, so I'm probably going to get pretty sick from that. This is Liv. She just creeps around her house. She's like a cleaner fairy.
I watch Alison get dressed.
Watch. She participates. Pro-vaccines. Brad just talked me into getting my bloods done now. It's like I'm trying to fit a million things in before we go away. So tomorrow I have my neurosurgeon to see how my back is going. And I have a massage, but it's not like a relaxing massage. It's for like my scar tissue on my back.
It's MARTA pathology. Is that alright?
I think so. I'll go and it will start waiting.
Yeah.
By the time you put that up, I'll be finished.
Done.
What's your emotions at this current moment about moving?
At the moment I'm excited,
Yeah.
but
How did you feel today driving?
earlier today I realised that we're leaving all of our friends and family. I was a bit upset.
When you have different chapters in your life, sometimes they merge so quietly that you don't realise it's a new chapter, but this is so inherently a new chapter because everything's changing. There's nothing that's staying the same.
The only thing that's not changing is you, me and Buddy.
Yeah.
A
Yeah.
little pack staying together.
I'm the alpha.
And Alpha doesn't say that they're the Alpha.
I'm going to miss this little bridge.
Yeah, me too.
We live in like a small town north Gold Coast and it's like really country. You've got like cane fields and it's like right on the water too, which is pretty nice. Once we're on that plane, I think it's going to be like, oh,
Nap
shit.
time.
Yeah, we're going to sleep. When we get back, we're thinking about buying a farm.
At least something with a shed on it. Not too big.
This is our little town centre.
Best little pub in the cane fields. It's the only pub in the cane fields.
Yeah, there's not much to compare. Yeah. It's pretty nice. We are trying to pack 3 months worth of medical supplies. We get 232 kilos for me, 23 kilos for Brad. So I have 64 kilos, but 50 of it will be medical supplies. And then we don't have any clothes to take because this is a catheter that I use. And then this is a sterile glove and this is $20. And I use 10 a day, so $200 a day to pay. This packing is
Alison's not doing anything.
Zoom light, compression packing. I have 9 catheter packs, change packs in here, which usually takes up the whole table. It's a lot, but I've minimized it and now they're not sterile, so I'm probably going to get really sick. But look at this, without compression, don't look. It's a magic trick. You're not allowed to see the secret. Compress. Okay, give me something to count.
You count these.
Hey, zoom light.
Tap them around for me so they're flutter. Get into the
Just
corner.
tap them to your light.
Get into the corner.
We've got 2 bags. Half my medical stuff in one and the other half in the other. So if one bag goes missing, we still have half of it at least.
These are going to fit into the big one,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
we'll have to do medical stuff into that little one before we do meds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're on our way to our mate Dan and Bree's house.
For our last game night in Australia.
Say offensive things and that's where you set it up. Excellent.
This is my sister, Sally, my soulmate. So Scar's got a present for every Friday until she leaves.
And that's very well for these photos.
That's a good idea.
I was just thinking, where are these going to go?
Them in there.
Very clever. Shut up.
You really wrecked that, Mum. She doesn't usually abuse people.
Oh, really nice.
Yes, thank you.
Ow.
That's all right. So now you can count down on Fridays. When I'm not here, I'm away, left you all behind. She can open a present and you can get... Saf got some garbage bags that I gave her. We are leaving everyone now. Off to San Francisco. That's it.
Took a year of planning, everything's done. Whatever's not done, someone else can deal with it.
Yeah.
Sally drove us. Mum's here.
Hi. Hello. San Francisco. You don't have that much stuff. Good job. You've got nothing.
Nothing. Once I use all that continent stuff, we have one bag.
You guys are hobos.
This is where you nearly lost your finger.
Yes.
Sally, we did a 20-hour flight back from Japan, and Sally nearly chopped her finger off in this car park.
Worth it. Because then we stopped by Macca's.
Yeah. So really, we've only got like 30 kilos, 40 kilos of our stuff.
Yeah, this is like less
And
than
then-
what we took to Japan.
Yeah. Can you stop that?
Oh. Access to terminal number 1.
United Airlines. That was the easiest check-in I've ever done. They just told me I can take my wheelchair on the plane.
They didn't ask questions, didn't do shit.
No, they didn't give a shit. That's what happens when you fly business. People actually care. We just got off at the lounge, but I think I got to sit here with Sal and Brad's mum before we leave. Free food from our family before.
We don't need airport lounges, we have family.
Yeah.
Do you hate chamomile or peppermint?
Chamomile.
Oh, I thought you hated peppermint, and I was like, that's what you get for leaving me.
We made it. This business thing is the best thing ever. I've got so much room, my feet are up, and Brad's in economy. Brad's missing out.
It is 10 p.m. in Brisbane time and 6 a.m. in San Fran time, and I kept yelling at Brad before the flight that we need to sleep to get our body clocks in order. I didn't sleep, so I've just been like for days telling him he needs to sleep, and I didn't do any of that.
We made it.
Yeah.
San Francisco.
By the time we get to the hotel, it's going to be 24 hours. We just got questioned by customs.
Yeah, and we got 2/3 of our
He didn't care about me. All he wanted to know was about Brad and his cars that he works on.
that I don't work on anymore.
Yeah. Someone else has a Kmart bag.
So it's been around. I'll go have a look.
Have you seen it?
No, like as in the whole conveyor belt's got it.
Yeah, so that guy is like, how do you get money, pretty much? And Brad was talking about cars, and they just started chatting about cars, and I was like, oh, well, ask me questions. I think they'll ask us more questions about everything when they look in my bags, and there's 20 million catheters. We've lost our clothes back, so we'll have to wear colostomy bags all over San Fran. It looks small. This is the goods. That was the best flight so far. Am I jinxing us?
Probably. We've only just started with one trip.
It actually turned out well. I haven't looked at it in my shower chair yet, but it looks like it's here and together. Just trying to work
You
out.
want me to push the cart for you? Where are you going? Outside?
Yeah,
Oh, we need to go to car rental.
yeah. Weird place for car rentals, hey? Oh my god. I think we have to catch a train with all this shit to get to the car rental place. We ran into this guy and he was like, oh, that's really far with all that. And we're thinking, oh, we'll be right. But now we're getting on a train. Can you stick them in your bag? That's all we need.
And the $20,000 worth of medical supplies.
Yeah. I'm in my pajamas and I'm going to go all the way to the hotel in these. Hopefully people give me money because they think I'm a hobo.
Then they'll look at your equipment and go, she's doing okay.
Yeah.
Next stop is Westfield Road.
They didn't ask us any questions.
Ask us how much cash we got and that's it.
I was like, I don't know.
Yeah, you wouldn't know.
I don't know. Why cash? What about this money?
Dirt.
Criminal money.
Elevators located.
$10 from debt. Criminal money. Where did Jane get it from? No one knows.
No one knows.
Good job.
Doors closing.
Thrifty down there.
What about Conjure and See?
Budget or Avis? Do you want to take this up? Yeah, and I'll meet you up there.
Did you say Budget or Avis?
I feel like
We just sat here for an hour because Flight Centre told us we were booked with Thrifty and it wasn't. And we called Flight Centre for the 24-hour line and the lady was really helpful. And then it turns out we were with Budget. It's like Tetris, but funner.
funner.
Yeah. I'm not sure what I'm doing on this side. I don't know how to get on this side of the car.
Don't you hold there
Yeah.
with the other hand?
With this hand?
I don't know. Do you want to get in the other side first?
No. I don't know.
Well, when you're out next, roll around to the other side. Because you'll just naturally go up to it and go
Yeah.
bang.
That was confusing. Okay. It wasn't even that high. Sunnies. This is a nice car. Got so much shit. Brad's good boy. He's a good boy. 45 minutes to our hotel. Hopefully we have a hotel because I don't know after that Flight Centre debacle that just happened.
Alright, first rent-a-car, Chevy Blazer, 2 suitcases full of medical stuff, 1 suitcase full of clothes, 3 backpacks, wheelchair, Firefly, beach chair, shower chair.
And now, peak hour traffic with a left-hand drive car on the left side of the road.
Oh man, do you think I'm supposed to be in that one? Holy fuck, even there, bumps are obnoxious.
If you ever feel stressed, you can tell me.
Do a skid.
San Franscisco.
Turn right onto the US 101 ramp.
We like to party.
Oh man, this is a fucking freeway. Oh shit. Straight up. What the fuck?
I told you it's okay to freak out, but it's not. Please don't freak out because you're freaking me out. I wonder where the bridge is. We're getting further away from the bridge. Are we getting closer?
Closer.
This is what you see in the movies. There. Look out for debris along the creek 680. I'm exhausted. That is all. No, they don't have roll-in showers in the US. So I have like a special shower bench that I use for baths. A lot of my friends who live here like lift themselves in and out of the bath every day. I cannot do that. But this is nice. Can roll onto here, have a snooze here, have a snooze over here.
Just go to bed. Someone's obviously bonked their head a couple of times because the tiles are cracked. That'll be you.
And then you could have a snooze.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Brad told me not to pack my buddy jumper. I have a picture of my dog on the jumper at home because he said he wasn't going to bring his. And look what he just pulled out. This is the rudest thing anyone's ever done to me.
You'll have that on by tonight.
Yeah, I will. I don't know what I packed, so.
We just slept till, what, 12 o'clock? We could have slept all day, but yeah. So we're going to go hire a bike for Brad and then he's going to see if he can catch me all the way up to Golden Gate.
Free bike.
Free bike.
So we're just going to go basically down here,
Yeah.
follow that street, then we'll follow the water pretty much up. That kid's smoking weed.
We are definitely in the most pretty part of San Fran. This is stunning. Honestly, it makes a huge difference.
I heard
Is that Alcatraz?
Yeah.
I could swim there. Hi.
Have a nice day.
You too.
We'll see how your fucking new Firefly goes.
My new Firefly goes up this hill. Feels free, but it was paid 4 months ago. Past Alison and Brad. Aww.
Watch out for the stick.
Oh, sorry, thank you. Look at those houses. That's weird. Not weird. I mean, cool. Can't be judgmental online. Love you.
I love you too. Where are those kids' parents?
Coppers, coppers. Punch you in the face.
It's funny that there's clouds just over the bridge.
What I was reading is there's a name for the cloud when it's at this level, and then a name for a cloud when it's over that, and then a name for a cloud when it's blocking the airport.
Okay.
Yeah, so it comes in at different levels at different times of the day.
So,
but I don't remember the name of each area.
If you woke up at 8 o'clock, you could have actually seen
We could have seen it.
Yeah.
Look at that hill. Do you reckon we should try to get up it?
No, you're not getting up. You couldn't get up that one.
It's because I got too much junk in my trunk. If I had more weight at the front...
Well, we'll put the backpack on the front then.
Oh, yeah. That would actually help.
Yeah.
I meant to say my booty's too big, but
wow.
Okay. Yeah, I know. Conehead. Conehead. There's the Golden Gate Bridge. Yeah, how do we get up to the bridge? Oh.
You do know where we are.
Where is that, Brad?
San Francisco.
Where 15% of the community is fabulous.
Look at all these papa dogs.
Okay.
I think further around there's
millions of dogs with people. Do you reckon she must be a dog walker?
Yeah.
Unless they're just like dog hoarders, which is the dream. Yeah. Slow speed is key to sand.
Look at Alcatraz.
Wow. I know what happened. They swam the wrong way.
Yep.
They could have just swam directly across. Warming hut, yeah.
Hot tea, cold beverages, snacks, rich hot chocolate.
Should we go have a look in there? Yeah.
They've got 93 national parks. I think Australia has like 208 or something.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
So we've made more.
America was the first to have a national park, Yosemite, whatever it is. And then the Royal National Park in Sydney was the second.
I just spilled coffee all over me. Hot chocolate all over me.
First.
Okay.
That's got chocolate on it. Right on the lens. Oh shit.
Were we supposed to drink it or wear it? At least we know my steering is okay, because I literally went and squeezed that. It's a good sign. I'll call Studley and tell him it works. Successful.
You don't need to tell him, because he already knows.
He thinks it's successful.
Yeah, that one. You could surf that.
Isn't it crazy? Like, we always think, why is everyone coming to look at the Sydney Harbour Bridge? And this is what people probably think about us here. I think this is a symbolism
Of what?
our adventure, how big that is.
Okay.
Yeah. And I just feel like
Look at this big
drawn
bommy.
to it. I go on rants all the time. This is why he doesn't listen. He wants to get in there and surf that. His mum would be so happy with no helmet and no hands. We're trying to find our way up to the bridge because obviously I can't go upstairs and everything's stairs. So we've just found this little road. I wonder how Brad's going. He'll say he's fine.
Ah, fuck.
There he is. Oh, my battery just went to yellow. We made it! We made it. Good job riding up all those hills. I don't know if you can see it. Ugh, at least it's all downhill. I love it. Do you love it?
I like looking at it from afar.
Yeah. It seemed peaceful from afar, but now it seems busy.
Yeah.
Magnificent. First day done well.
I don't remember walking this far. Like, it's quite a way.
We made it back. We went food shopping. We bought minimal amount of food and it cost $200. It's insane. How much do you hate me? Because this is the vibe I'm getting.
Because you're over there carrying on like a muppet.
Yeah, I am. I really am. I'll admit that.
Yep.
Could we turn off those lights here and have a snooze?